In this comprehensive guide, we've got you covered on logging out from Instagram on both mobile phone. It works on iPhone as well as Android. If you are using public computer or someone else's mobile device, then logging out Instagram ensures your account and conversations remain private. Sometimes, you may encounter difficulty logging out from Instagram, giving the impression of being trapped. However, it's not a trap, you just need to apply additional steps to log out. Here is a step-by-step tutorial to guide you through the process. Open Instagram app on your phone. Then click on profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on 3 horizontal bar at top right corner. In the pop-up, click on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and click on Logout link as shown here. In the pop-up, click on Logout. Then you will be redirected to login page with Instagram profile shown, and you have to remove from here as well. So for this, click on Settings at the top. Then click on Remove Profile Link. In this pop-up, click on Remove. So next time it will ask you username and password to log in again. This much for today. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Also click on bell icon to never miss any update. Thank you.